Hello friends, welcome back. So we will see the how market will start and behave for the day today. Basically, this video I'm making with the purpose that how should trader start the day. So we have already analyzed the market yesterday in the evening that how market can behave or the possibility have the market pattern for the today. So we have the this chart. I have opened this chart of this bank nifty at the 15-minute candle. And one thing is important, that is the international market. How international market is behaving. So let's see the international market. So international market, US market is 0.40% up. The European market is, yes, it shows the bullish pattern, and while the Asian market is mixed or driven to the bearish market. It's not called bearish, yeah, it is because some of the market were down with slightly 0.50%, or the only market which is Nikkei market is slightly positive, and others market at the Asian market is down today, or you can say the sideways market. So we'll start the day. So we are expecting little bit the market will open with negative point of view, and yes, it has opened the negative. You can see here it has opened the negative, and I'm sorry, yeah, we can see here this is important level we have drawn yesterday, and market have already broken this level at the 15-minute candle. Market have broken this level, and this was the yesterday low. This was the yesterday low. So we will wait for if the market break this level and sustain below this level. We will wait for this. Why it is so? Because the market has opened with gap down and went down continuously, and successfully it has went below this, breaking the level of 35,000, right? So we will wait for this level, right? If the market is able to hold the first candle above this level, so we can think trade on this bullish perspective, right? We will try to buy the CE of the 35,000, or if the market is managed to be below this bearish, so we will wait for the next candle, or we will go for this bearish pattern. So we can see here, let's see the nifty. I think nifty, how it is behaving. So friends, nifty has already down, and we can see it at the, as I started discuss with you all that the market is in this bearish zone. This is very important zone for the nifty. This is very good support, and which is not, I mean, much below it. It has only 15 point below. So I think the nifty at the strong support level, and the bank nifty, the bank nifty we can see here, try to hold above this 35,000, above this level of 35,000, and it has broken this yesterday low. We can see here it has broken the yesterday low, and no, its bank nifty is not able to, although we have this sort in the shorter period of time, because So we'll look into it. We will wait for this. Why we'll wait? Because there is a hard possibility that because it has been already capped down, and there is a possibility that it will get reversed. Why it is so? Because we have the support level here. We have the support level here after the 100 points. So we will not go for 100 points trade in this bank nifty. We will look for this more than 2 300 points. That will be the very good risk reward ratio. So we'll wait for this, how this candle behaving, how this formation of candle happening. We'll wait for the 15-minute candle, and it's look quite bearish today. Let's see, let's wait for this. It has, see friends, one things we need to see here, it is the gap down opening. Almost, if we'll see, almost 200 point gap down opening, right? And if it go below this, the those who had already bought the p, they are in the good profit. So they will start booking profit, and there's the possibility that the market will get reversed from here. Market will be like this, or the second possibility is the market will be like this. So one thing we need to think is why it is so. The second logic behind this, the 35,000 is the strong support. 35,000 is the psychological point. So the more people bet on this digit, because people do not expect that the market will sharply react. Market must resist here. If the market wanted to go below this 35,000, it will wait for here. It will wait for the I this candle must work here. See this. As I said, this market has reversed now. You can see here, market is reversed now, and almost I think if it is able to hold this, if it is able to hold this level, it will be brilliant for the today market, because we have this space. Market have this space to behave freely in this area, and the buyer will get stronger because the buyer have the hard space today. So the buyer are in the strong position compared to the seller. So let's see this market how behaving this on this candle. If it is able to close above this candle, we can go for the bullish pattern. If it is hold this and stay for here, sometimes we may see the bearish pattern. So we will wait for this. Almost I think, yeah, we have 2 to 3 minutes more to wait for this, and we will see how this bank nifty behaving. As nifty, we have can see that the nifty is, sorry, yeah. So the nifty shows the strong bearish candle in particular. See yesterday, if you see the yesterday chart pattern, what happened? The strong bearish candle. After that, the small bullish and market went sideways to become bullish for the day. The same formation going on here. Market open gap down, the bigger bearish candle, and we may say we may go for this reversal pattern also today. So we will wait for this. Friends, you can see here, this market is try to hold this level. Market is try to hold this level, and that is the good sign for the bullish market. If the market will able to hold this level, that is 35,100, that will be a good sign for the bullish market. You can see also one thing, the how Reliance is behaving today. So we'll see this Reliance industry, and we can see here at the day level, the Reliance is at the resistant level. So Reliance is at the resistance level and it has given yesterday the bearish candle. If you will see friend, we can see here Reliance is the strong resistance level here, and we can see the yesterday bearish candle. So if it is able to hold above this line, the we can see the bullish because the highest level this one. So let's look at the HDFC, how it is behaving. HDFC. So we can see here HDFC in the sideways zone. We cannot is actually the HDFC, yeah, very small candle, and the Reliance movement will be important today, I think. Let's go for the Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty try to manage above this 35,000 point, and we'll wait for the another candle. If it is able to hold above this 35,100 point, we will go for this bullish pattern, and if it is not able to hold 35,000, it will stay here, then one should go for this bearish pattern. With this, wish you all the good day for this today trading. All the best. Have a good trading day. Thank you so much for supporting.